All right, we are back with another recap video. So I'm going to go over the trade I took today on UCAD. It was a very simple trade. All right, so we're going to replay until about 6 o'clock this morning. What time I woke up. All right, so when I got to the chart, I've seen this huge break in change of character and break in structure. So yeah, we have this, as far as current price action, we have this large bullish candle that broke structure. So now I'm looking for where the move started. So I'm going to mark up this demand zone. Now, people say just use the last bearish candle, but this is like one to me. So it just makes sense for me to mark up this entire zone for my demand zone. So right now we're making higher highs and higher lows. So we have that bullish structure going on here. And then if we go on the 1 hour, so on the 1 hour, we have liquidity here. We are bearish. We have this large move. And then we're below the moving averages. But it is in consolidations, doing some consolidating. It did grab liquidity here. So I do want to see it push up to fill the gap, but we don't know when that's going to happen. So even though I am looking for a buy on the 5-minute, it's going to be short term because of this structure, and we don't know what it really wants to do right now. I wouldn't look for more of a long-term buy until it breaks this entire area, possibly, depending on price action, of course. So we're back down to the 5-minute. So it tapped here, but I'm already up. Plus, this price action is not strong enough for me, even though it did tap in and break above candles. So now we're just looking at price action. So like I said, it did already tap in. So now we have this bullish candle that broke these last couple of candles. So we are definitely getting in the buy because it fits all of our rules for a long position. Stop loss below this low. And for our take profit, I'm going to aim towards a little bit below this liquidity level. So we're at a 1 to 2.5 pretty much. Okay, so plot it here and let's see what happens. All right, so we reached our target. Got our 1 to 2.5, and that was it. Pretty simple. After that, it went all the way back down. So, yep, that was that trade. Pretty simple. This trade did take a few hours. And I had a busy morning anyway, so it was cool. I got in the trade, set my targets, and just kind of let it do its thing. And yep, that's what we got for today.